Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Look Fantastic advent calendar and I'm so excited. Oh, it is so heavy, I can barely hold it up, so I cannot wait. I'm so excited. So let's just get into it. First day 1. This is the Medicate Press and Glow Daily Exfoliating PHA Tonic with Enzyme Activator. This looks so nice and this looks like it is a full size. That's how it looks there. Super nice. So that was day 1. On to day 2. This thing is so heavy, guys. Like, honestly. Oh my god. Okay, day 2 is next. This is the Perfect Body Smoothing Wash from This Works. And that's so exciting because I've actually never tried anything else from This Works apart from the Deep Sleep Spray. So it says, a resurfacing wash for the face and body with exfoliating fruit acids and PHAs. So that's cute. I'm excited to try out something different from the brand. Because yeah, I've only ever tried out the Deep Sleep Spray. Or whatever it's called, I can't really remember. Day 3. Got 2 things in here. Cute. These are both from Wella. These are both part of the Ultimate Repair. So we have a shampoo and a deep conditioner. It says repairs, strengthens and moisturizes all hair types. We have a 100ml shampoo and a 75ml conditioner. So that's really nice. We've got a little set there. Super cute. Day 4. We have, this is from The Ordinary. This is the multi-peptide eye serum. It says apply a small amount onto the eye contour in the morning and the evening. Cute. Oh, I just love these little bottles. I don't know, there's something about them. It makes me feel like I'm like a witch or like, you know, a wizard or something like that. I don't know, I just love them. I think they're so cute. Yeah, that's a nice product. Day 5. This is something from Glow Hub. This is the Gen Gleam Collagen Up Lip Glow. That sounds really nice. I got my first product from Glow Hub in the Cult Beauty advent calendar or ASOS or one of them, I don't know, I can't really remember. And it looks like a really nice brand, so I'm really excited. This is in the shade Thirsty. Oh, cute. I feel like that packaging's really nice. I love it. Let's see if it has a smell. Oh, it smells like lip smackers. It smells like watermelon. Yum! That smells so good. So yeah, it's like a little lip gloss. And yeah, it's in the shade Thirsty. And that is the packaging there. Super cute. Okay, day 6. Oh my god, yay, I'm so excited. We have the Delcia Drench Body Butter. It's the Turosa 59 fragrance, and I don't have anything of this fragrance yet, so I'm really excited. I've smelt it in the store and I do quite like it, so that's very exciting to have that. Okay, day 7. This is from First Aid Beauty. This is the Pure Skin Face Cleanser. It says it's safe for sensitive skin, so that's exciting. I'm just trying to think. I don't know if I've got this time around. I can't really remember. But anyway, if I don't, I'm excited to try that out. It sounds really nice. So, yeah. Super cute. Day 8. This is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Coverage Complex. Now, I don't want to diss on Estee Lauder, but I watch true crime when I go to sleep. Like, so I watch like YouTube videos and stuff when I'm having naps and things like that. And Estee Lauder always comes and interrupts my nap time with a little ad about this. They're like, advanced night repair from Estee Lauder. And it like wakes me up. But, so I feel like I have a bad taste in my mouth about this product because they wake me up from my naps. But anyway, that's really nice. It sounds nice. What does it say? Just says apply AM to PM before moisturizer. So anyway, that's how it looks there. Super cute. Okay, day 9. This is the No-Co Super Thick Scalp Serum for Hair Density. Apply to scalp, gently massage to help stimulate circulation, leave for 20 minutes and then wash hair as usual. Interesting. I don't know what hair density, is that what I want or not? I don't know. Day 10. This is from Avant. This is the Pro Collagen, I don't know what it says. Pro Perfecting Collagen Primer. So yeah, it says apply to clean, dry skin, wear alone or under foundation to create a smooth, even canvas. So that sounds nice. these. Little primer. Day 11. I've got a candle. I've been smelling something and I haven't I could smell it, but I didn't know what it was. Oh, this is so nice. This is a candle from Rituals. This is the Ritual of Sakura. And it smells absolutely incredible. Wish I had some notes on here to tell me what it is, but oh, it's really fresh and really, really nice. And I feel like it's just such a nice, minimalistic kind of design. I really like that. And on the back it says, one beautiful fragrance can create many beautiful memories. Super cute. Love that. Yeah, it smells really good. I don't even know how to describe it, but it's really nice. Okay, day 12. This is the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Lotion. It says it nourishes and protects normal to dry skin. It's just a little moisturizer. Cute. Day 13. Have a little MAC lipstick. This is in the shade Hug Me. This is the Luster Glass lipstick. So that's exciting. I love the packaging of these. They're so pretty. And it seems to be a really nice, just nude shade. Love that. Day 14. This is the Colour Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. And I've already got one of these out of another calendar. I can't remember what calendar it was. But anyway, that's cool. It sounds really nice. I'm excited about that. Day 15. Got two things in here. Oh, cute. These are both from Peter Thomas Roth. We have the Rose Stem Cell Anti-Aging Gel Mask, and then we have the Cucumber Gel Mask Extreme Detox Hydrator. I love these. I don't know why. They're giving such, I don't know, they're giving Fairly Odd Parents, you know? I don't know. I love the colours, and the little gel mask is getting me, so I'm excited to try those. They actually look really nice. Day 16. What is this? This is Look Fantastic X Trigo Cosmetics, the Velvet Powder Puff. That's in there. Oh, wow, these are massive. They actually look really nice. They actually feel so good. Love those. They're super soft. And yeah, they look like really nice quality. Super cute. And then they've got a little thing on it. It says Look Fantastic X Trigwell. So that's cute. Day 17. This is the Ultra Sun SPF 30 Moisturizing Anti-Aging Sun Protection. It's just a little SPF. Day 18. Cute. We have a little blush, I think. It's from Ciate London. It's the Illuminating Blusher in Sweet Kiss. Cute. It feels like it's gonna fall out. Anyway. So yeah, that's how it looks there. That's the packaging. And then you open it up and that's how it looks. I can't tell if it's gonna be too dark. It's blushy, but it has a lot of gold reflect through it. It's pretty. It's very cute. Day 19. This is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream Anti-Wrinkle Hydrating Day Cream. Seems to be quite big as well. Yep, so that's how it looks there. Super nice. Excited about that. Day 20. This is the Grown Alchemist Polishing Facial Exfoliant. I think I've also got one of these this year in another calendar. Yeah, it looks like a really nice product. But yeah, I've already got one of these, I think. I can't remember if it was ASOS or Revolve or something like that, but it's cute. 21. Oh, this is exciting. This is the Iconic London Prep Set and Glow, the original one. Oh, I remember these. These were all the rage a couple of years ago. That's so pretty. I've never had one before, so I'm excited. I feel like I can finally join the hype. I'm a couple of years late, but it's fine. Okay, 22. This is the Espa Tri-Active Regenerating Treatment Oil, age-defying facial oil for rejuvenated skin. So that's how that looks there. Super cute. Day 23. The Look Fantastic and Brushworks Satin Sleeping Mask. Looks like that. Cute. Day 24. This is the Shiseido Vital Perfection Uplifting and Firming Express Eye Mask. Looks nice. Okay, and we're on to our final day, day 25. And we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. This used to be an absolute favourite of mine. I decluttered mine a little while ago because I just hadn't reached for it in so long, but it is a beautiful palette. Like, love that. Guys, I feel a bit underwhelmed. I don't know. I don't know. Let's have a look online. Hopefully it'll still let me like look at it because I know that it's sold out now. I swear this was meant to be worth like $1,000 or something like that. Is that right? Yeah, worth over $1,000. How? So it cost me $270. It says unwrapped 25 days of beauty icons packed with 13 full-size treats and a selection of mini surprises. So good. Yeah, I don't know why I feel a little bit underwhelmed. Maybe it's because it's like, I don't know, like I feel like it is quite heavily skincare based. But I feel like even in other calendars that have been like heavily skincare based, I haven't minded. I don't know, like I just feel like this one compared to like the Cult Beauty one, I don't know, like I'm just not super, I don't know. I feel like I'm being, yeah, I just don't know why I feel that way. Let me know down below what you guys think of this one. If you like love it and think it's great, or if I'm just being, you know, yeah, I don't know. I feel like maybe like it's just because we didn't get like heaps of like makeup maybe. So the makeup that we got with the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, the iconic London Prep Set and Glow Spray, the MAC Cosmetics lipstick, the Avant Skincare Pro Perfecting Collagen Primer, the Powder Puffs, the Glow Hub Lip Gloss, the Illuminating Blush. So yeah, I don't know, like I feel like it was definitely nice, don't get me wrong. I just feel a tiny bit underwhelmed. And I don't understand how this ends up being over $1,000. Like, I don't get that. That primer, the Avant primer, is worth $159. Is that a joke? And that was the full size apparently. That 30ml thing was apparently the full size, which I just think is crazy. Even still though, I don't know. I feel like this isn't worth $1,000. I'm going to go add up these prices and then I'll be back. Okay, so I just added up. It's $1,064. So, I don't know. I feel like maybe it's because, like, there's not a lot of things in this calendar that I find that like are worth that to me. Do you know what I mean? Like, don't get me wrong, it's still a good calendar and I feel bad like dissing on it. I'm not trying to diss on it, but yeah, it's just probably not my favourite one that I've unboxed. Like, if you're into these products and stuff, it's obviously a great value, but maybe there's just not a lot in this calendar that I would really like reach for, I guess. Like, I feel like the things that stand out to me are like the new Sol de Janeiro body cream. It's nice that we get like the soft glam palette and stuff like that, but I'm probably not going to keep it. So yeah, I don't know. But anyway, it was still fun to unbox, but let me know down below what you guys thought of this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!